If your job as a product manager is writing Jira tickets, then I'm afraid to say AI is already replacing parts of your role. Not eventually, actually right now. The old product manager role wrote requirements, managed the backlog, they translated things between teams. All of those things are now being automated because AI can already summarize requirements, generate tickets, prioritize backlogs. So what's actually left? Well, folks, the real job of being a product manager. The value of a product manager is shifting to making decisions under uncertain circumstances, understanding real customer problems, saying no to bad ideas, aligning teams around outcomes. So what does that actually look like? Instead of, here's the roadmap, you're saying, here's the problem worth solving. Instead of managing tasks, you're driving direction. The product managers who survive this shift won't be the most organized. They'll be the ones who think clearly, prioritize ruthlessly, understand value deeply, because when execution gets faster, bad decisions just happen quicker.